Okay, so for those of you who are struggling, this is question 6. We've got P equals 3A plus 3B. Now the first thing we can notice is we've got this plus 3B sort of out on the edge here, so we can get rid of that first, and to get rid of it we just do the opposite. And so this is plus 3B, so we're just going to minus 3B from both sides, and that gives us P minus 3B equals 3A. We want to make A the subject, and at the moment it's got this 3 times A, isn't it? We've got it being multiplied by 3. So again, to get A by itself, we just do the opposite, and the opposite of multiplying is divide. So we need to divide both sides by 3. Okay, that cancels that one out. So we're left with A on that side, and on this side we are left with that. And so that's how we made A the subject of this formula. Right, so now we're going to go on to number 7. Don't hesitate to stop the video, pause it and have a look at my workings. So number 7 is m equals n squared plus 3. So similarly to number 6, we've got this plus 3 hanging off the end here, haven't we? So we can get rid of that bit first. And to get rid of it, we do the opposite. And the opposite of plus 3 is minus 3. So we're going to take away 3 from both sides. So on this side, we're going to end up with m minus 3. And on this side, that cancels that out. We're just going to be left with n squared. So to get n by itself, we need to do the opposite of squared. And the opposite of that is a square root. So we're going to square root that side. And if we square root that side as well, that cancels out that squared and we just end up with n. So that's your answer to number 7. Okay, pause the video if you need to have a think about it and a look and have a go yourself. And then finally, we're going to do number 8, which is B equals 2 plus AT. And I think it wants you to make A the subject. So this time we've got the U sort of hanging off the edge of the AT if we want to make A the subject. So we're going to subtract U from both sides, like that. So that, we'll cancel that out. And we've put V minus U onto this side, and that leaves us with our A times T. That's what these two letters mean, that side, A times T. If we want to get A by itself, it's being multiplied by the T, so in this question we need to do the opposite again. So the opposite of multiplied by T is divided by T. We do that both sides. So you end up, that cancels that out. You end up with V minus U over T equals A. Okay, and that's how you make A the subject of that formula.